Hi, this is Adise Boucher, CEO of Mind and Money Mentoring and the New Money Mama. So, it's the end of the year. What's on your mind? Is it the holidays? Family get-togethers? Resting from family get-togethers? Is it the new year? Or maybe those resolutions? I'm going to have you think about something that most people don't think about until the spring. Taxes. Oh yes, taxes. I know a lot of you don't think about it until February, March, April 15th. But this is the perfect time of year to think about a plan to reduce your tax bill, especially if you're someone who itemizes on your tax forms. So think about what's in your house, what's in your life that you no longer need, or what have you used and enjoyed, but you've gotten all the value out of it that you've wanted. Think about donating foods to the food bank, or donating clothing and household items to a charity thrift store. Think about donating personal hygiene items and cleaning supplies to a women's shelter or a homeless shelter. Think about donating books, CDs, DVDs to your local library. These are all ways that you can donate and help reduce your tax bill. So make sure to get receipts for all of these donations, because then you can take the fair market value for these items and use them against your tax bill to reduce it. So make sure to take this moment to clean out your home, get a fresh start for the new year, and also give back to the community. Get those things that you've received, gotten value from, and now it's time to send it back out into the world for someone else to use. This is Adise Boucher, CEO of Mind and Money Mentoring and the New Money Mama.